Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain you a new feature which is available in Shopify now. Okay. So earlier, if you go to the products and if you are making any changes to your products image, you won't be able to get it back. So for example, if I'm going to crop this image, I'm going to crop this image. Okay, now I'm just done and save it. So earlier, if I need to make this back, I won't be able to do this unless I'm having a backup copy in my local system. Okay, but now Shopify has come out with an option called media versioning, which means if you want to bring back your previous image or the old image, you can go to the Shopify and click on the media and select this one and click on revert to original. Okay, so if you click on revert to original, you will be able to see the previous image. Okay, so like this you can bring back your old images without having the copy in your local system. This is a new feature which is available from February. Thanks for watching this video.